The new TBI Pro DASHCAM G50 Plus is an advanced device for more intelligent driving and improved visibility, equipped with the most relevant functionality in combination with a simple user-friendly interface. The 2-megapixel camera with 4x digital zoom function allows shooting full HD video at a wide angle of 170 degrees with 60 FPS. High sensitivity provides real and detailed restoration of the situation on the road. One of the features of the camera is a bright and compact 1.5-inch LCD display that will not block the line of sight. The cam also has a built-in microphone that can be turned off to prevent confidential information from leaking. Advanced H.265 video compression technology enhances video capture without excessive memory consumption. The device supports work with micro TF cards of high capacity. An important advantage of the camera is the presence of a G sensor. Any blow, sudden braking, or acceleration of your vehicle is instantly recorded using the G sensor, while automatically indicating the time and the date of the incident. It should also be noted that the G sensor will work even if your car is in a traffic jam or in a parking lot. In the event of an accident, the recording is automatically saved in a separate folder with protection against subsequent erasure during cyclic video recording, which increases the reliability of saving important information. The G sensor is equipped with a sensitivity regulation so you can easily adjust it depending on the expected road conditions. An additional SOS function allows to manually protect the file if you want to overwrite during shooting. A great addition to useful functionality of the camera is automatic switching on and off along the start and end of the movement. The parking monitoring function ensures the safety of your car even in the parking lot. The dash cam works in a special sleep mode with the screen off but the shock sensor on. If the car is slightly shaken, the shock sensor works and the cam turns on. After that, it'll start recording and capture whatever caused the disturbance on video. There are 2 mounting options for the G50 Plus. You can choose 3M or regular. Today's issues require modern solutions, so TBI Pro develops devices taking into account user experience and the most common requests. The easy-to-install, compact, and high-tech dash camera from TBI Pro with stunning detailing and modern features will become your reliable tool to increase the level of safety and traffic awareness.